This French bakery's in New York. People started waiting hours ago. Most people want to try the new croissant cereal.
We got here at 5:45 in the morning in our car, and the line outside started forming at 6:30, so we've been out here for over an hour.
It's cold and dark outside. It's no fun waiting. Are the little cakes that good? Gauthier Coiffars, the owner of the bakery.
So the cereal croissants are basically the same dough that we have for our croissant. So it takes 2 or 3 days to make the croissant dough. It's rolled out like a classic croissant, and then we flatten it very thinly. We roll the mini croissant one by one, so it takes hours. Then we bake them, we add sugar, and then we dehydrate them, so it's about 2 days on top of a classic croissant.
Every day, there's fresh croissant cereal. The bakers make each one by hand, not machine. They can't prepare many, so they're expensive, at $50 a bag.
The price is a little high, but it's unique. You can't really get it anywhere else. So.
Coiffard left France in 2012. He met his partner in New York. He missed good bread and he started baking at home. During COVID-19, he made bread for friends and family. Later, he sold it to others. The bakery's traditional food is popular. French and American people love it. But some aren't sure about the cereal. Maybe that's a good thing. The team can't make enough. The bakery has lots of delicious bread and cakes, and people are happy to wait.
About an hour and a half we've been waiting here. Here today because I heard they have really good croissants.